Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that's new on the World Day of Cultural Diversity update in Dress to Impress. So in the hair salon, we have a bunch of different hairstyles that's new. From here all the way up here, we have this braid, this long braid, this hair. I like this one, it's super cute. This hair. And then this hair. And then this hair is also super cute. I love this hair. I love every hair there is in this entire planet. Like hairstyle, so cute. This one too. And this is so fab. I love this one so much. And then for makeup, there's some new makeups here, as you can see up till here. There's also a bunch of new custom makeup as well, which I think is pretty cute. I cannot put them all on, but it's there. There's a new turban up here. There's a new hijab style here too. And then from here, let me just get that money. I can go to this area, which is where all the new stuff are. So there's Nigeria, Brazil, Spain, Mexico, India, Scotland, Philippines, Thailand, and Japan. And you can even view cards to view the history of their outfits here. Super cute, but yeah, that's what's new on the update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!